Yo, what's up guys? It's Joey Bada Bing 22, your local mailman. And today we're gonna make a video about 7 things that I sold really quick. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel. You guys are awesome. Thank you for liking and commenting on my videos. It's well appreciated. And let's jump into this. So for the first thing that I sold was an Xbox One console only. And the crazy thing is that I found this in the garbage. I was actually delivering my mail and I came across this garbage can. I was like, all right, I know this sounds weird, but let me look into it. So I go look into it and I'm digging through things. I know I sound like a garbage picker, but I came across this Xbox. So I was like, should I take it or should I not? And I actually went up to the house and I was like, hey, can I have this? I mean, I know it's in the garbage. And they're like, yeah, sure, go ahead and take it. And I was like, all right. So I sold it for 50 bucks. I got it for free. I just can't even believe it. So that was a really good flip. So for the 1.5 item, smash that like button. So for item number 2, I sold these Echo golf shoes. They were white and they have black skin like kind of over the top of the shoe. And on the bottom, it had a red like outsole, all made of leather. It was very, very nice. I sold this for $60. I bought them for around like $13.50. I paid a little up on them, but I knew that they were gonna sell for a really good price, so that's why I priced them up pretty high. I priced them for $79.99 and I got it for 60 bucks with shipping. Now for my third item, I sold an Apple iPad Pro Smart Keyboard. I went to the Goodwill by my work and I found this iPad like keyboard in the electronics section and I was like, what is this? Like, it's Apple. I might be able to sell it for like a really high price. And so like I said, I bought it for $8 and I sold it for $68. It was a very good sell rate on, eBay, and I thought this was a really good pickup and was gonna sell really quick, and it did. It sold in like 2 days, I think. So it was a very good sale. So now for my fourth item, I sold these Jack Rogers. If you saw in my last video, I picked these up at Goodwill for $4. Get it? This is my fourth item, $4. But I sold these for $28. Boop. So yeah, I sold these for $28. And it was a really quick flip. I actually just put these on not too long ago, about 2 days ago, and it got sold literally in 2 days. So that was a really good pickup. So for my fifth item, I sold these Nike KD black shoes. I picked these up with those Echo golf shoes, and I picked them up for, I think it was $7.50, and I sold them for boop, $52.45. Yeah, this was a pretty good pickup. Always, like, basketball shoes are always a good pickup. If you ever see like Nikes with like KD on the back of them, or maybe even Kobe Bryant's or Kyrie Irving, those are good basketball shoes to pick up. We're coming down to the last 2. Number 6, I sold this Yankees Tommy Bahama t-shirt. I picked this up at Goodwill for $1.50 and I sold it for $22. Boop! Right there. So yeah, I picked this up at Goodwill and it was a very good find. Any kind of Tommy Bahama is really good, but it has to have like a big graphic on it or something that will intrigue people to buy it. For my 7th item and my last final item, I sold these Nike Power Max shoes from 2008. I went to the flea market with my dad and I bought it for $13. And I flipped them for, boop, $72. Yeah, so this was a really good find for me. She wanted 15 for it. I said, hey, can I do 10? And she was like, I don't know. I was like, all right, meet me in the middle, 13. She said, all right, so yeah, it was awesome. So that was a good pickup. So guys, that's the 7 items that I sold really, really fast. I mean, I had a turnaround of only a couple days of those items. I have other items that were in my shop and it took a while to sell, but those 7 things turned fast. So like Nike or Tommy Bahama or Apple stuff, that stuff is going to sell fast. So have a lookout at Goodwill, Salvation Army, any thrift stores, flea markets, garage sales for those things because they will sell fast. So guys, throughout the week, I go to Goodwill by my job and I stop before I do my route and I do like my lunch break thrift trip. And these are the things that I found this week and I wanted to share with you. So first thing I got is a Disney Grumpy and Witch, like from the Snow White. It's a single stitched, if you guys could see right there, single stitched, just like that. And it's a very old shirt. I really like it. It has a nice tag in there. It's Disney Designs, and I think it was really cool. I bought it for $1.50 and I'm gonna throw it up there for 25 bucks. Next thing I got was an Adidas golf snapback hat. Very nice hat. It's like a flat brim in very good condition. Also bought this for $1. Very nice. Then I came across this one. It's a Nike. I guess it's really not like a flat brim. You kind of like go like that. The other one was pretty flat. It's nice. It has like that neon yellow in it. And this one's also a snapback as well. I bought this for $1. Probably gonna put this up for 15. Then these, I really like these. These are a woman's Under Armour I Will Long Run or something like that. Very nice condition, like brand spanking new, as you can see. I mean, what a great find. I picked these up for $7.50 and I'm going to probably put these up for $55. I saw comps on there for 65 to 70, so I'm gonna try to sell this for like 55 bucks. Then I found these. These are called ZX Flux Adidas, and it has like you hear that? Like it's just like, it's really, I don't know how to describe this material. It's not like a Velcro type, but like kinda. But these are called Adidas Torsions. These were, look at these. They got a pretty good color on them. And I picked these up for $5 and I'm probably gonna sell these for 35. And I came across this limited edition Xbox 360 controller. Has like dragons on it with like a girl on there. Very nice controller. I mean, it's in pretty good condition, except this on this little joystick, like usually you could feel like the little ridges on it, but this one's been used a little bit. But still, it's a limited edition, and I bought this for $3, and I'm gonna probably sell it for 20 bucks, 25 bucks. Then I found this Garfield Christmas ceramic. I picked this up for about 70 cents, and I saw online there was someone for about 11, 12 bucks, so I might throw that up on there. Then my big find is I found this Xbox. Now, just this alone goes for at least like 50 bucks maybe, just with the console. I have the cords, but the only cord that goes in is this big one right here. And for some reason, the other one right here, it doesn't fit. So I don't know if it goes for like a PlayStation 2 or a PlayStation or what, but it didn't fit. So I might have to either reach out to go get those parts, or I could just sell it just like this for about like 50 bucks. So yeah, good pickup. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. If you guys could like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for me, that would be so appreciated. Thank you for everybody that's been watching my video, and have a great day. Peace.